we focus on apartment tours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and something that I want to do on Saturdays. But as you guys can see, I've been uploading a lot more videos than just Tuesdays and Thursdays for this month at least. So I'm actually about to make a gluten-free cheesecake, but I'm gonna do it in like individual little cupcakes. But I am going to start by mashing some Oreos. The reason I'm doing it gluten-free is because my friend Angela, she cannot eat gluten. So the first thing I want to figure out, I don't know if I have enough because this is a little bit smaller of a pack than a normal pack. I don't know if I have enough to fill the whole like bottom of each of these things with a cookie. So let's go ahead. We're just gonna fill these up real quick. These are all covered. I think we have enough. Now we're gonna mash the rest of these. We're just gonna put it in here. I need all this stuff to get to room temperature. So let's go ahead and get these mashed. Okay, so we just crushed all the Oreos and it turned into like this like liquid goop. It's interesting, but it's fine because it's just gonna be added into the cheesecake. But what you need for the cheesecake, how we're gonna start, you need 24 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. You need a cup of sour cream. You need a cup of granulated sugar, and then you need 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, but I don't have extract, I just have vanilla flavoring, so that's what we're gonna use. And then 4 large eggs. That's pretty much everything for this. And then we're gonna make a white chocolate ganache and a whipped cream for the top. So let's go ahead and add our ingredients to this. Okay, I've been trying to find like a flour substitute because I don't have gluten-free flour. That is something like that I forgot about, but I'm trying to figure out like how to make it because I really don't want her to get sick. Pray that it turns out good. I mean, should I still try to add a little bit of baking powder into it? Baking powder, flour, and salt. So what if I just have salt and baking powder? Throw a little salt in there of baking powder. the Käsekuchen. Bomb. So I have the Oreos inside. I took half of them off because I want to put another half on, like, in the middle inside. So we're gonna fill them up about halfway and then we're gonna do that. Chocolate chips, and then I used about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. So how I did it, I heated up the heavy whipping cream, about a half a cup, in a pot on my stove. Oops, I'm sorry, I didn't even realize. I'm so bad today. Oh my god. I heated it up on the stove in a pan, or a pot, I mean, and then I poured it over the chocolate chips, and then just let it sit there for about a minute, and then I am placing it on top of my cookies. Nice. I have this entire cheesecake here too. Ganache as well. And this to me is all about. And then after the ganache, we're going to put to make the whipped cream. For the whipped cream, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, about half a cup of powdered sugar, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have no idea where my little measuring cups are, so tablespoons have to work. I think like 1.5 tablespoons would be equal, right? Now we're just going to mix.